So Apple Intelligence brings new writing tools to your Mac. You can rewrite your notes in the Notes app and also proofread them. In this video, I will guide you with how you can use Apple Intelligence to rewrite your notes in the Notes app. But before we continue, make sure Apple Intelligence is enabled on your Mac. For this, you can watch this video. Its link is in the description. So first of all, open the Notes app. For this, press Command plus Spacebar key on your keyboard. This will open Spotlight Search. Now, search for Notes and press Enter to open it. Now in the Notes app, open the note that you want to rewrite. After this, select the section of the note that you want to rewrite. Now, click on this icon that appears. After this, click on Rewrite. Now this will rewrite the note. Click on Done. So this is how you can use Apple Intelligence to rewrite notes in the Notes app on your Mac. So I hope you find the information shared in this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe our channel.